Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you can walk into the scene. Then you can just start dancing, alright? You can dance for a few seconds or a few minutes. Then after that, you just walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, welcome to the tutorial now. Click on CapCut, new project, click on photos, guys. Locate the background you want to use. I want to use this one. Click it and import it. Click on it now, then you drag it to the duration of your video. After that, you come back, then you mark anywhere, click on overlay, add overlay, click on video again, locate your moon now, locate your moon, click it and import it, click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back, go and locate mask, guys, locate mask, look for mask now, click on mask now, click on mask, click on circle, then you come and circle this your moon, use that 2 arrow there, the 2 arrow there, then you circle this your moon, alright? If you need this moon green screen, DM me, I will send it to you. After circling it, you mark on that good now and go back, alright? After circling it, mark on that good and go back, click on it again, click on it, click on splice, click on splice now, click on filter, then you can decide to reduce the texture. After reducing it to your choice, then you click on that good and go back, use your 2 thumb to expand it and position it where you want to be on that sky. Position it on the sky part where you want it to be. After positioning it and doing your necessary adjustment, you are going to be clicking anywhere now. Click anywhere, then you click on add overlay again. Then you locate your video and import your video to workspace. Then this is the video. I want to mark out the unwanted part now. From this part that I'm about going out, I will click on it and make a split, alright? Delete that last part, come back to this empty side, still click it and make a split, delete the first part, click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you want to click on the video to locate remove BG, alright? Click on remove BG now, auto removal, allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's applying, alright? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? And just in case you need that green screen moon, alright, just go and DM me on my WhatsApp number at the description of this video, then I will send it to you, okay? We are still on removing BG. Welcome to the tutorial. As you can see, that is still applying, okay? All you need to do is just exercise, patient. The remove BG is still removing. At this point, he has removed completely. Look at it there. We're going to be marking on that good now to go back. After then, now you locate where you want the video to start from. Look at this point where I've started dancing. I will click on it and make another split and delete that first part. Still click it and bring it to the beginning of the video, alright? So you are going to be clicking on it now. Click on it to drag that character to that moon. Then you resize him and put him, make sure he's inside the moon. After that, now you go and locate mask for the second time, alright? Go and locate mask again, locate mask, alright? Click on mask now, click on mask, click on rectangle this time, click on rectangle, then you resize it. Use that arrow to resize this character. After that, you use this feather icon here, drag it down. Look at it, you are inside the moon already, alright? Then after that, now we are going to play the video to see what we have got, alright? But then reduce that volume, reduce it. I don't need the background sound of that video. Then after that, you can see, look at this, your video is ready now, alright? You can play it to the end in case if there is any error so that you will correct it. but at this point I feel it's ready. So what we are going to be doing is to mark on that background there, click on that background and make a split, delete that last part, click on this one and trim it to be equal with this, click on this one, trim it as well. So at this point, this video, I'm convinced and I am sure that this video is ready. What will be remaining now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. Just go and DM me. I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect, light effect and the rest. Then after that you can now export your video to your gallery. But there's another thing you need to understand here. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you are not a pro member. All right, but don't worry, we have got you covered in that. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Watch it, then you will learn and know how you will come and export this video and share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, and just in case you need that green screen moon, don't hesitate to DM me on my number, then I will send it to you. All right, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.